Hello students, welcome. Welcome to MGM Education. See, work ethics implies some moral principles which we adopt while doing our, work or profession. Any kind of work, mental work or physical work. There are some moral principles that need to be adopted, and it must be value centric. Okay, then it must be welfare oriented, then it must be completed within the time. Then only what happens, that is why here punctuality is given priority. And if we will talk about the work ethics in Indian context, and we have seen that many philosophers believe this, that work is worship. This is the slogan we adopted in India, right? So we underline this word, work is worship, means it shows that we work not for ourselves, just we work for the society, for the nation, and so on, right? So there are many relevant principles in the religious tradition or philosophical works relating to this work ethics. Do you understand? It aims at the peace and prosperity of all together. Your work must bring these two things, peace and prosperity, to society and to the nation. So regarding this, many philosophers, let us take the case of Buddha. He said, right view, right thought, right speech, right action. He has used these are as the work ethics, right livelihood, effort, right attentiveness, and right concentration. He has said it in year +2. You might have studied about Buddha philosophy, right? The second one, Mahavira also said, right faith, right knowledge, right conduct, right behavior are the main principles adopted in work ethics, right? And there are some other things also we have to focus while performing our work, such as justice, goodness, kindness, forgiveness, honesty, fairness, mercy or kindness, both are same. And one thing, you must also avoid certain things here as work ethics. What? Now, you should not indulge in any fraud, and should not be malicious, and must not be uh, unworthy by nature, right? And Mahatma Gandhi, we can remember him. He has also set some moral principles for work as work ethics. One important thing he said, I remember that it is something like this: we cannot just adopt unethical principles to achieve our goal. He told us about the means and the end. Okay, and here means the goal, right? So he has given an example also like this. Suppose XYZ, a person who studies physics in the class, in a college, but he didn't attend the class, and he tells his friend for attendance. By this way, he can no doubt manage his presence, but it is not just. It is not just, because he is going away from the main purpose, that is learning physics. That's why Gandhi says means and ends both have to be justified. Then only there is the ethic in the work he or she does. Then let us focus on some core values of the work ethics. As I have already said, the same thing will be repeated here in the core value of work ethics, but just see in your book it is given: diligence, resourcefulness, conscientiousness. Okay, conscientiousness and resourcefulness implies that you must have sufficient knowledge. Resourcefulness, conscientiousness means you must feel the others needs, requirements, and all these things, right? And being reliable means faithful, having initiative and acquiring new skill. These principles are said to be the core values, and other such many points are there. While we are performing some professional work or any work for the social or service or for mankind, you must adopt these things, such as reliability means people must have faith in you. Dedication, that means you must dedicate your time for the people. Discipline, whatever you do, you must do it in discipline, means proper order. Productivity means you should do something that it will benefit the people. And cooperation means you have to adopt the process of helping each other in the community or in the your teamwork. Integrity, responsibility, professionalism, honesty, punctuality, and time management is a big point. And after that, you see accountability means you must be very much responsible to the people and to those to the beneficiary for whom you are rendering the service. Okay. Similarly, cleanliness, rational thinking, scientific attitude, positive attitude. See, these are here, and gender sensitivity, clarity in thinking, all these things are put together, we create the work ethics, right? So these are the things we must adopt in. Okay, thank you students, thank you very much for watching.